Hello everybody, I wish you're doing well. So today we will see the part design module and its function. I will explain what can do all its functions. So before we start, I want to do um, a quick reminder of how to use the mouse and how to click in it in CATIA. So we have to do translation. So let's open a project to see it directly. To do a translation, we can click in the middle button and maintain it and translate. And the left button is to select things. Rotation is done with maintaining the central button and maintaining the right button. The zoom is with maintaining the central button and clicking one time in the right button. So to zoom in, we go up. To zoom out, we go down. So this is it. So now we can start with the features of part design. So to explain to you what is part design is it is this part, and in this part we will create uh, 3D workpieces with using 2D sketches. So let's start by creating our sketch as we did it in last time. So let's click on the XZ plane or XY. You can click here or here. So let's click directly here. So let's create a sketch. For example, let's do this and let's do our quotations. So this is for these two lines. So let's do our quotations to the two axes. So this is it. It is green, so it is fully constrained. So here it is. So to create a volume from this, we can create it by using the body. So this work object is not in a body, so it will put us directly in the body. So this is it. We can uh, put a distance or put a limit here if we select limit. Or and here we have the profile. It is the sketch that we did. We can put more thickness. We can add it in the other side, but let's put it into 0 and hide it here. So we'll put less and more here. We can do a mirrored extension. Let's do it here. So when we put length, it will go in the two sides. So this is it. Let's put 100 millimeters in each side, so it is 200. So when we create this model like this, we can use all its faces to do sketches with just clicking on face and do the sketch. We can draw a sketch here. Let's do a circle, for example. Let's just put it here and let's do the quotations. So this is it, and let's put its diameter or radius. So here it is. So constrain this side. This is it, so it's green, so we can say that it's fully constrained. So with this we'll create a pocket and create a pocket doing this, so we can put down the limit or put up with using this like this, and we can put a distance here. We can also do a limit up to the next, for example. So it is going into this. We can put more offset like this, but just just let it into 0. So we can put it into loss. It will go into this up to the plane, but here we can select the plane, so it is like this, or up to the surface we can select this surface. So let's just put it into the next. We can put thickness as you have seen last time, so let's put just OK, and we have created our pocket. We can draw anything and click here in pocket and create it. So we can create holes just with clicking here and create a hole. This is the diameter, this is the depth. We can put it blind, so we put these distances to the next. It will go until the next, to the last, to the plane, as you wish. It is as the pocket here. So let's just put it up to the next. Can put an offset. We can put it simple or trapped like this, so it will have an angle into the end, and put the angle, but it is done for small holes. Let's put 20 holes so we can see it. So it will have an angle. When we do this, we can counter bar. For example, it will have a counter bar here, a, a counter sunk for we will have an angle here before our hole. There is counter drilled, so we will put parameters here, but let's just let it simple. We can also put threaded here to do uh, to, uh, so it can we can do taping, for example. So this is it. We put a thread, so we can put a screw, for example, into it. So we can put it in metric pitch. We can put it in thick pitch as you wish. You can put it in M8. You have all these, and you have directly the pitch and the whole diameter that you have to do. So this is it, and here you will choose if it's right threaded or left threaded. So this is it for the whole, but let's just put it into simple like this to have a thread until the last. So this is our hole. Uh, we will see this in another tutorial. It is specifics. We can put this. So this is it. Let's take another example. So to clear to clear, for example, here we can touch here if we want to lock our work so anybody can touch it. So we can't modify here, it won't be affected. So this is it. Don't do the, so we can't work with it. So let's just touch this line to, so we can do modifications. So let's clear this as I told you. So we can just delete it and delete all. So let's create a new sketch. Let's create, for example, a circle here, or let's can prefer if we create this rectangle. Let's do put constraints. So this is it. This is our second dimension. So this, and now we can use this revolution. Let's put it here. Let's use a revolution. So as you see, here is our profile, here it is our limits. So, and here we will choose the axis. So let's choose this axis. So let's put it directly like this. Let's choose this profile and this axis. So we can create a cylinder like this. So in all this, do it with this revolution or shaft as it is named here. So this is it. So let's explore this uh, function. It is the fillet. We can click on this and put the radius. But if it will be a tendency or non-minimal or intersection, and click on OK, and we will have a radius, a small radius here. We can put more radius to be visible, so we can see it. So this is it. We can create a radius. Let's create a chamfer here. Let's put a length of 10 millimeters, an angle of 45 degrees, and our object is here. So let's click on OK. So we have a chamfer here. Let's put a bigger chamfer. Put 13. So this is our chamfer. We have also this function. This is shell. If we want to create a shell with our default thickness, let's put 5 millimeters in thickness. So we will have all void here, and we'll have a thickness of 5 here and 5 thickness here. So this is it. So let's just delete it to have this directly. So this was our course for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.